All right, so there's one other aspect that I want to discuss, which is getting help. So this video is just going to discuss the process of getting help. So first off, you should be doing the reading. So for any objective, you should be looking in the textbook at the respective pages and reviewing the PowerPoint. And those are your main places for getting help in general. But if you still have questions, I'll go to a preview the activity. So let's say you don't understand a problem, you can't figure it out. So first off, if you miss a problem, I hope this is the problem, wrong answer. I want a wrong answer. You can get a tip of where to look or just a video to review. It may say, oh, go ahead and look at these 2 slides from this PowerPoint, or look at this place in the textbook, or watch this video. So if you miss a problem, there's a good way to get help is to look at that resource. It'll give you a better idea of where to look to get help on a specific problem. And then if you still have concerns, if you, even before you submit an answer and you have a question, for example, on problem 1 of this activity, just remember which activity this is. So chapter 1, objective 1 and 2, problem 1. So you'll want to go back into where this is located. So here's the activity. So since this is week 1, you'll want to go on the top and you'll see open anonymous form week 1 questions. So what's nice about this is, well, first off, let me mention here, you want to be very specific on what you have concerns about. So you'll want to say, I have questions about this this activity, the objective 1 and 2, question 1 or 2, or whatever problem it is, and even more details, like I don't understand this part of it, any details if you want, but most specifically, mention what problem it is. Or if you want, you can copy and paste the problem. If you want to just type out the problem and say, I don't understand this problem, but it's best if you let me know what problem you're looking at, which problem question it is, so I know what to specifically help you with. And then you can post a question in here. And what's nice about this is that you have the option to keep it anonymous. So if you don't want anyone else in the course to know that you're posting a question, it'll just say anonymous. If you do not click here, if you click this right here, it will reveal yourself in the post, so you don't have to click it there. If you leave this checkbox unchecked, then it'll say anonymous, and it won't reveal yourself. And you'll post the question here. You can say chapter 1, objective 1 and 2 activity or something, and then just say problem number 2 or something. And it's even more helpful if you just type out the problem also and just say, I don't understand this part of the problem, I don't understand any part of this problem. It doesn't really matter, but just say you need help and give specifics of, if there are any specifics of where you need help with on the problem. And I can record a video, I can give you guidance, give you suggestions. Let me know. So anyway, that's the main way of getting help. And if you do post a question here, I'm just letting you know that for more immediate feedback, go ahead and email me, because I'll know immediately if you email me if you need help. And if you just post a question here without contacting me besides this, I won't see it until I get into the class. Where if you email me, I'll know immediately because my email goes directly to my phone, and I keep that on me, and I'll know right away. So emailing me, letting me know that you post a question, say I post a question in the anonymous forum for week 1 or week 2 or whatever, that will be helpful, and get more immediate feedback. All right, so let me know if you have any concerns about getting help or anything else from the course.